our economy.
Now, Kenya has moved to safeguard its fuel supply in the face of global uncertainties after signing a master framework agreement with international suppliers to ensure steady deliveries regardless of external disruptions. According to engineer Edward Kinyua, the new approach allows suppliers to diversify sourcing beyond the Middle East to markets in Europe and the Far East, with more shipments now routed through the Red Sea instead of Strait of Hormuz.
Master framework agreement with our international suppliers, and they are obligated to supply us regardless of the situations that are out there. So what our suppliers have done, instead of sourcing from the Middle East, and I'd explained earlier, they'll be sourcing from diversified markets, including the Europe, including the Far East, and also they are also loading more products from the Red Sea side. Instead of loading products on the Strait of Hormuz side in the Middle East, now they're exploiting the Red Sea side. But of course, there are many other mitigation measures that government is thinking about. We've just developed a strategic stocks regulation whereby we can be able to invite a big player in Kenya to store petroleum within our ports, and then we have the right, the first right of use for that product. This is akin to what happens in other jurisdictions like Rotterdam or Singapore.
Moving on, the spotlight has shone on talent, creativity, and the future